In this video, we will show you how to connect the docking station and charge the iMOW robotic mower. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. Start by shortening the wires. Slightly tension the wires and cut them off along the edge of the docking station with a wire cutter. Then strip the wires for about 10 mm and twist them so that no single strand sticks out. Thanks to the cable markers and the symbols on the panel, it's easy to match the wire ends to the right terminal clamps. Fit the individual stripped wire ends through the respective cable holders in the corresponding clamps. Then close the cover and replace the hood until it locks into place. Next, fully unwind the charging cable and install it outside of the mowing area. The cable should not be under tension, and it shouldn't be installed on permanently wet soil. Please also ensure that the cable is not a trip hazard. Now connect the charging cable with the plug of the power supply, and connect the mains plug to a correctly installed socket. Finally, position the iMOW robotic mower as far as possible into the docking station. The mower will now begin charging and perform a system start.